What the hell's going on?
They're having relationship problems. my boyfriends are just weird.
Who is this?
Bill and Nick. Tackle each other.
I'm just having fun. Oh, Hunter! Get up.
Get off, Hunter!
I didn't do anything.
You're not on this.
Yeah, keep going.
What are you
I'm about to give him a Reggie from the...
Nick, now what do you say? You are weaker than a 42-year-old.
Ha, highly doubt that one.
Yeah, you highly doubt it.
Yeah.
You're getting hit by one.
That's cheap.
Oh, wait. Hey, Bill, crack kills. My boyfriend and Bill beating up each other. Just for me.
You know what? Here's what.
We're rich. Thanks, sir.
Thank you, Bill. Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Was there anything in wedgie?
Hunter,
Yeah.
have you seen his underwear lately? It's almost over his head.
Oh, go fair pin up against the wall and stuff.
This is fun.
That's no fair.
That's all you see.
Oh.
And cut.
What the fuck are you trying to prove?
That he's stronger than Bill, and Bill's stronger.
No. I keep getting pinned up against the wall against stuff.
I'm sorry.
He's like, I'm freaked out. So, you like getting beat up by a 42-year-old?
No.
No? Didn't think so.
I want to be a part of it.
Because that's on camera.
You want to kiss you?
Yeah, honey, you want a kiss? Give her a kiss.
At least I don't kiss 42-year-old men.
I may be a hoe.
I ripped my shirt so.
So,
Yeah? Where's my cell phone?
it's right there.
Alright.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Recording.
Oh, you didn't. She's placed herself as that.
That was great. Now he can actually just go, he got beat by a Bill, how do you feel beating my boyfriend Nick?
Huh?
How do you feel?
Alright.
Okay. Because he's huffing and puffing over here.
Nick's huffing and puffing?
Hey,
Yeah.
had me pinned up against the wall against stuff. That's cheap.
That's
It's not even
fun.
fair.
That's fun. Bye.